Okay, y'all, so as you can see here, a bunch of stuff. Yes, I am getting rid of more stuff. There's just so much stuff in here, y'all. It's ridiculous. Stuff I forgot about. Clothes I ain't even looked at in about 2 years. A pillow that was in the shop, but clearly I'm going to keep it. A wig that was off in the corner. These moving bags, which I highly recommend, from Amazon. Matter of fact, I did a review on Amazon, but these bags right here helped when it came to moving into this apartment. Actually, I mean, yeah, anything you got to carry upstairs or whatever. Ooh, these are good. These are so good. And they come in a pack of 9 or 8. They're huge. Sometimes I use them even just to carry laundry because, you know, you got this. Then you got these straps here that you can carry just like a backpack. Yeah, these are nice. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Yeah, so I'm going through more things to get rid of and get to the Goodwill.